What are my COBRA rights for employee benefits? Imagine losing your job or facing a big life change and wondering if your health coverage will disappear too. That's where COBRA comes in to help. COBRA stands for the Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act, a law that helps you keep your health insurance after certain events. If you worked for a company with 20 or more employees and had health coverage, you might have rights under COBRA. Qualifying events include losing your job, whether it's voluntary or involuntary, or having your work hours cut. Other events like divorce, the death of the covered employee, or if you become eligible for Medicare can also qualify. As long as you were covered by a group health plan the day before the event, you're likely eligible for COBRA. Once a qualifying event happens, your employer must send you a notice explaining your COBRA rights. You then have 60 days to decide if you want to continue your coverage. If you choose to keep it, you can stay on the same health plan you had while working. This includes medical, dental, vision, and flexible spending accounts. The usual coverage lasts for 18 months, but in some cases, like if you have a disability, it can be extended up to 36 months. If a second qualifying event occurs during your coverage, such as another job loss or divorce, your coverage might be extended. You are responsible for paying the full premium, which includes what your employer used to pay plus a 2% administrative fee. This can make COBRA more expensive than your previous contribution, but it's often cheaper than buying individual insurance plans. Keep in mind, if you lost your job because of gross misconduct, your COBRA rights might not apply. Also, if you become eligible for Medicare or another group health plan, your COBRA coverage could end. From a legal point of view, COBRA helps protect employees by making sure they don't lose health coverage immediately after a qualifying event. Employers are required by law to inform you about your rights and offer you the chance to continue coverage. If you experience a qualifying event, it's smart to review the COBRA notice carefully. Think about whether you can afford the premiums and explore other options like Medicaid or health insurance marketplaces, which might be more affordable. In short, COBRA gives you the chance to keep your employer-based health benefits for a limited time after losing your job or facing other qualifying events. Just remember to meet the deadlines, understand your options, and be prepared to pay the full premium.